stealth fighter jet designed by Bugatti. Wow, this jet is a masterpiece. Sleek, aggressive, and aerodynamic with sharp angles and carbon fiber body. The signature Bugatti grille gives it an extra touch of personality. Speedboat designed by Lamborghini. Check out this Lamborghini Speedboat. The sharp lines and angular design scream luxury. The iconic Lamborghini headlights and carbon fiber accents really complete the look. Supersonic jet designed by Ferrari. This supersonic jet is absolutely stunning. The streamlined red and black color scheme, aggressive curves, and large air intakes make it a true Ferrari masterpiece. That prancing spacecraft designed by McLaren. This spacecraft is definitely from the future. With its aerodynamic, sleek lines, dihedral doors, and carbon fiber construction, it's a true testament to McLaren's innovation. Luxury yacht designed by Porsche. Talk about elegance. This Porsche-designed luxury yacht features curved lines, a retractable roof, and a spacious deck. The Porsche-inspired interior is just the cherry on top. Hyperloop Train designed by Koenigsegg. This Hyperloop Train is simply breathtaking. The aerodynamic, elongated shape and large windows scream speed, while the sleek design and carbon fiber accents showcase Koenigsegg's signature style. Helicopter designed by Pagani. Now that's a unique helicopter. The aggressive lines and Huayra-inspired design really make it stand out. The luxury cabin and carbon fiber rotor blades take it to another level. Spaceship designed by Aston Martin. This spaceship is absolutely mesmerizing. The futuristic, sleek lines and Valkyrie-inspired design showcase Aston Martin's innovation. The luxury interior and carbon fiber construction. Electric motorcycle designed by Rimac. This high-performance electric motorcycle is a sight to behold. The aerodynamic, Rimac-inspired design and carbon fiber body are a perfect match. The advanced technology sets it apart from the rest. HighSpeed Train designed by Hennessey. This sleek, aerodynamic high-speed train is a game-changer. The Venom F5-inspired design and luxury interior are a perfect combination. The carbon fiber construction just adds to its appeal. Submarine designed by SSC. This stealthy, streamlined submarine is a true marvel. The Tuatara-inspired design and luxury interior make it stand out. The advanced technology used in its construction is simply impressive. Hovercraft designed by Bugatti. This futuristic hovercraft is absolutely amazing. The sleek lines and Veyron-inspired design give it a unique personality. The luxury interior and advanced technology make it truly special. Jet ski designed by Lamborghini. This aggressive jet ski is a total showstopper. The sharp lines, hurricane-inspired design, and luxury seating make it a true Lamborghini masterpiece. The carbon fiber accents add a nice touch. Drone designed by Audi. This futuristic drone is a work of art. The aerodynamic R8-inspired design and advanced technology make it a standout. The carbon fiber construction just adds to its appeal. Monster truck designed by Chevrolet. This powerful monster truck is a force to be reckoned with. The aggressive Corvette Stingray-inspired design and large tires make it a beast. The carbon fiber body is a nice touch. Off-road vehicle designed by Ford. This rugged, versatile off-road vehicle is a true gem. The GT-inspired design, large tires, and carbon fiber body make it perfect for any adventure. Formula One. Car designed by Mercedes-AMG. This high-performance Formula One car is a speed demon. The aerodynamic, Project One-inspired design and advanced technology make it a true contender. Electric scooter designed by BMW. This sleek, futuristic electric scooter is simply amazing. The i8-inspired design, carbon fiber construction, and advanced technology make it a true BMW masterpiece. Racing motorcycle, designed by Nissan. This aggressive racing motorcycle is a stunner. The aerodynamic GTR-inspired design and carbon fiber body make it perfect for the track. The advanced technology gives it an edge over the Hoverbike designed by Acura. This futuristic hoverbike is truly one of a kind. The sleek lines and NSX-inspired design give it a unique personality. The carbon fiber construction and advanced technology make it a